Good morning, everyone. So I'm trying out this new product, which I always wanted to try out by SK2, and I finally got and got it at Saks, and it's a welcome kit. SK2 from Japan, and it has their facial treatment essence, the skin balancing essence, and the facial treatment clear lotion, purifying lotion, oh Jesus, and a new age moisturizing cream. So I already cleansed my skin in the shower with my favorite right now. It's a face cleanser by Jan Marini. And so I'm just gonna open up this kit and see what's inside. So, facial treatment essence, let's do this. Just put it on a cotton pad. It smells so good. And all the way down to the collarbone. I like to put everything on my neck and my collarbone. Just gently pat. Feels so good. And I'm just gonna finish it with my regular routine. Next step is a serum, and I love this one by Syncmon. I think I've shared this one many times before. Just put it all over my skin, and again on the collarbone. And then I like to spread it and even it with this jade roller and put it in the freezer for a couple of minutes before. And so it feels really nice and cold, and it helps with inflammation, and it helps evening out the serum. A little gentle morning massage. And again, just dry it a little bit, squeeze it in a little more. And then the next is my eye cream, and I've been using this one from Cosmetics, which is an amazing liquid crystal eye serum, and it has kind of like a bluish color, just a little bit, not too much, see? And just put it on my ring fingers, very gently tap it around my eyes, eyelids, under the eyes. Just a little bit more. Alright, and then I'm gonna apply this cream that was in the starter kit, which is their Radical New Age RNA Power by SK2. So I think this is just a little sample. And this is the first time I'm gonna be using this one. Just put it on a little bit. And then all over the face, hairline, neck, and the collarbone. This one actually feels really good too. And once I'm done, I like to finish up with a hydrating mist, and this one is again by Cosmetics, and just spray a few times. And again, just let it dry a little bit. And And then I'm gonna use, lastly, always sunscreen. And this one is by Dior. It's their latest City Defense. And this one, and again, put all over my face, neck, shoulders, and if I'm wearing short sleeve, all over my arms and the top of my hands, and then fingers. And one more time, a couple of more sprays, hydrating mist. Oops. And you're all set. Mwah.